neglected. His promises are never assured. His promises are just oral. He will never accomplish his own promise. So friends, on 19th we have submitted the representation. Since there was no response from the administration, we have represented the same issue to the Chancellor. After the representation to the Chancellor, the university has put up the number of students joined in our university. When we took a look at the number of students joined, we could observe that there were 250 plus vacancies, sorry not 250, 199 as on 31st and 605 seats vacant as on 31st. And then we have represented the same issue. Sir, these many seats are vacant. What are you going to do with these seats? Since because of your early admissions, this many number of withdrawals have come. What are you going to do those withdrawal seats? And when it comes to the constitutionally mandated policy, we didn't have the statistics on that time. We could get this statistics. Isn't he the head of the institution? Isn't he the constitutionally mandated head of the institution? It is his responsibility to fill the seats. Why is it that he couldn't fill these seats? We could understand the clear-cut conspiracy behind this. They don't want the students to exceed the limit of 27%. They have, last year if we take the students who have come in the open merit list among the OBC and the students who joined under reserved quota does not exceed beyond 27%. We can understand what kind of conspiracy is going on. What kind of conspiracy is going on to deprive this marginalized section of students to come into this university. Friends, second issue, we have had fair argumentation. We have brought out the case of early admission and the resultant withdrawals which have happened. He also noted that 144 withdrawals have happened. And then we have brought in the constitutional provisions. And then we have brought in, explained everything in a fair and rational argumentation. But this head of the institution does not understand this rational argument. That's why we are here to protest. We will protest until the seats are being filled. Vice Chancellor down!
Down, 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 down!
Vice Chancellor down!
Down, 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 down!
Fill it up, vacancies, fill it up!
Fill it up, vacancies, fill it up!
Fill it up, fill it up!
Police go back! మీరు వచ్చారు ఆయన కూడా రావచ్చు మీరు ఎందుకు తప్పుతారా?
One second, look here. No.
We want to get short.
Please keep quiet.
Prophet will sit down. Prophet will sit down. Until we see down.
Yes, sir. If I cannot talk to your... You cannot hear me.
No, we are here. We were walking, we are dancing. You didn't hear us.
Sitting in the chair.
Did you hear us?
You are for us. You are for students.
You cannot do that. University is not for you. University is not for you. University is not for you. Sit down. Down. Practical will sit down. Down. Practical will sit down. Down.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Please sit, sir.
We don't want any stories, sir. Yes, we don't want any stories. That's true.
Who do you want?
You will fill up the vacancies. That is the only assurance we want, sir. We want nothing else apart from that.
No waiting list in many departments also, sir. Even when there is so much vacancies.
495 vacancies are there.
Okay. Prashant, you have spoken at great length to CE at 1 second and to the registrar and to the Pro Vice Chancellor. You have seen all the data. Where there are vacancies, it is because of the very sad fact that there are not enough candidates. Please,
Sir, there is nothing to hide, sir.
no, nothing to hide, just don't come in my face, that's all.
Okay, that's it. This is not. Sir, make it clear and let the other people also.
The data has been shared with you from the CE's office. Statistics can be presented in many ways. This year we have 76% of the seats that have been filled. Last year it was 75. The previous year it was 75.
The total intake was high in this fact.
Beg your pardon?
That is the logic.
Total intake was
Don't say that logic.
No applicants for certain courses does not hold. In the department of in IMSC, there was one OBC vacancy wherein 51 OBC students were available. This is for the year for the last admissions. And in IMSC optometry, 2 OBC seats were there, 14 OBC students were available. In IMA humanities, 13 OBC seats were vacant and 82 SC, 1 ST, 38 OBC students were have appeared in the written test. The fact that there are no applicants doesn't hold, sir. And second thing is, sir, if I were to ask CE, sir, is it a fact that there are no eligible candidates as of now for this whole lot of 188 seats of OBCs?
Yes, several seats there are no OBC.
For all 188.
Not for all.
That's what, sir. Sir, our argument is, if there are eligible candidates, why you are not taking up them?
Yes, eligible will take.
That's what. I mean, in PG courses there is no cutoff.
Since you have asked me, let me tell you.
Eligible
After 15th of July, some of the OBC candidates, those who are admitted, have withdrawn their admission. Since the last date was over, we have not filled some of those seats. But in many of the cases, there are no eligible candidates, particularly for MPhil and PhD. There is a cut-off problem. There is a
further they can follow
at the time of counseling. When you have few seats, why you have called all of us to fool us? This is the question posed to me in the counseling. You are all witness for that.
So that means
therefore we used to actually call the candidates in spells according to the availability of the seats. You all know all these years and you are actually blaming us.
No, sir, this is not a blame, sir. Sir, this has come out.
No.
It is not, sir.
You tell us the Office of the Controller of Examination has done its maximum efforts to fill these seats or not to tell us.
Sir, no, this point I'll recognize that because the Office of Controller of Examination has done a job, but at the same time, when we have submitted representation as an objection to the closure of admissions, we have given a copy to the Vice Chancellor also briefing, sir, due to this early admission, some withdrawals have happened. That is a fact. So that you only have admitted right now.
Look, withdrawal.
Yes, sir. The final scores of each candidate who appeared for entrance examination, including all components and the entire waiting list, must be made public.
Sir, not now, sir, not now.
This has been issued.
It should have been done far before.
In April 2013. One second, sir. This has been issued in April 2013 to all vice chancellors. Hasn't it come to the University of Hyderabad?
Maybe there is something for them to study now.
No, hasn't it come to the University of Hyderabad specifically?
Look here.
That's what, sir.
Sir, our
in this
demand is now
context,
there should be
What is your demand?
fulfillment that all the seats should be filled. Whatever
Yes.
the vacancies
All
are
the
there
vacancies
should be filled now.
Prashant, there was vacancies in the Delhi universities. They filled the seats.
and dean, sir, one point which we
Ultimately, you all have to be taught by them.
Yes, sir. No. What if the department says we don't want to take any reserved category seats? Will you be abiding on that?
No.
Then why to consult on this? When it has already why to consult the department?
High Court has appealed on that.
Sir, again, if you are going for again,
ആദിയില്ലല്ലോ ലന്തമില്ലല്ലോ ലക്കാലം പോലായുഗത്തിൽ ആദിയില്ലല്ലോ ലന്തമില്ലല്ലോ ലക്കാലം പോലായുഗത്തിൽ ആനേ ദാനാ ഗഗനാനം ദാനാ വെളിച്ചമില്ലല്ലോ ലക്കാലം പോലായുഗത്തിൽ വെളിച്ചമില്ലല്ലോ ലക്കാലം പോലായുഗത്തിൽ
Rayam.